Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you guys the report about Cerberus monster. So we killed already. So I will share a couple of things with you guys which you can use, and I have explained already the alliance war is better than attacking alone on the Cerberus or any अदर monsters, the high level monsters. सो दोस्तों, मैंने पहले एक वीडियो अपनी वीडियो में बताया था कि सर्बरस या और भी जैसे सर्बरस जैसे बड़े monster उनको मारने के लिए अलाइंस वॉर ही बेटर है. सो गाइस, सर्बरस रिवॉर्ड्स आर द फर्स्ट डाउन रिवॉर्ड्स. फर्स्ट टाइम यू किल you get from level 1 million each resources, and this monster you can kill with the similar power you are using for the boss monster 11. I have explained already before, but this is the report. And without if you are sending low level less troops or low level generals for attacking this Cerberus, you maybe get wounded, but I suggest use same power which you are using for the बॉस मॉन्स्टर 11 इफ्रिट. दोस्तों, जो बॉस मॉन्स्टर 11 नंबर 11 है इफ्रिट, उसको मारने के लिए जितनी पावर आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं आपको उतनी पावर चाहिए सर्बरस 1 को मारने के लिए. सो you guys can check. I have sent my full march before, but after that you can see here I have sent how many, so less marches. So it's 688,358 troops. Before I had sent a lot of troops. I just quickly hunting that monster. So after that I checked and confirmed my first video description as I explained in my previous Cerberus monster video. So check level 2. So before check level 2, I tell you one more thing. You are getting pile of speed ups. The pile of speed, you are not getting any resources from this monster. So दोस्तों, आपको कोई resources नहीं मिल रहे, मगर आपको speed up मिलेंगे इस monster से. अगर आप मार लें तो आपको मैं speed ups भी दिखाऊंगा कितने मिलते हैं, और ये बहुत ही बढ़िया monster है आपकी growth के लिए, आपकी city के development के लिए. So guys, these monsters are very good for your development in your construction or in your city. Okay, let's go to the medium Cerberus. Yesterday I have killed, so we received first down reward 2.5 million each resources plus bulk of speed up, and I got wounded 28,715. Now you can note down I received 28,715 wounded. So दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं 28,715 जख्मी हुए थे मेरे सिपाही, और मेरा मार्च साइज देख लें. You can see guys my march size. Let's go to the recent report. I started alliance war today for my alliance members. So here now you can check I had 17,229 wounded only, and my march size was pretty much similar, not really big. So 1385. So how many I sent before? So 1369. Just few more, little more I used because I used this monarch gear march size capacity. But in alliance war I explained before that you guys get little more boost from the alliance signs. Oh, here we go. So we start donating. I think I changed the alliance signs now for the donation. So you can see my mounted troop defense 5%, HP also 5%, and the attack is also 5% in the alliance war. So increase your alliance war attacks so you can hunt more big monsters with less wounded. So दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरे कम wounded हुए थे ट्रूप्स अलाइंस वॉर में. जब मैंने अकेले में हंटिंग की थी तब मेरे ज़्यादा wounded थे. सीधा ही 50% ड्रॉप हो गई wounded rates. So guys, I reduced 50% with a little boost, 5% extra. So my friends, they joined my rally and we have done. If you are still getting wounded, ask your friends. They send range troops. They send more range troops. You get you get less wounded. So दोस्तों आप और भी कम अपने जख्मी सिपाही आपको मिलेंगे. अगर आपके अभी भी लगता है कि ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं तो आप अपने दोस्तों को कहें रेंज ट्रूप जो है तीर कमान वाले जो ट्रूप्स हैं वो सेंड करें, जिससे कि आपको हेल्प हो जाएगी और आपके और भी कम हो जाएंगे ट्रूप्स वुंडेड होने. Okay guys, let's talk about the speed up. So these are the speed up from level 1. Click on the details. So these all speed ups you are going to get from the level 1 Cerberus. So if you think it's a lie or this is a random rewards, no. I open up one box, you can see. Use one box, so you can see what I received. So we are hunting and receiving lot of speed ups from the Cerberus level 1. So make sure guys join those alliances. If you are in the weak alliances, please join those alliances which are hunting level 11 boss monsters, and they can kill these Cerberus easily. They don't get any wounded. So दोस्तों जो लोग 11 नंबर के मॉन्स्टर लेवल 11 के बॉस मॉन्स्टर को मार सकते हैं उनको ज्वाइन कर लें. अगर आप लो लेवल पे हैं या न्यू सर्वर में हैं तो आपको इतने सारे स्पीड अप मिल जाएंगे. लेट्स ओपन अप दिस सेकंड लेवल 2 सर्बरस स्पीड अप बॉक्स. So you can see there are more speed ups than level 1, and in the last one there was 3 hours speed up, but in level 2 you are getting 8 hours speed ups, 3 boxes. That means 1 day easily, and the other ones as well. So roughly you are getting 3 to 4 days normal speed up, and the rest of them they are for the other things. If you receive double drop, so that is awesome guys. अगर दोस्तों आपके डबल रिवॉर्ड्स या डबल ड्रॉप होता है मॉन्स्टर से, वो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है और आपके लिए बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद है आपकी सिटी को डेवलप करने के लिए. सो नाउ गाइज ongoing this consuming speed up. So Cerberus is very good monster to complete these rewards. These rewards you can complete easily guys. So as I explained, start construction when the resources consuming start, and finish up. Look, you can see I'm constructing this building, and this one I finished already. There are a couple of more they are constructing. I have started in the resources consuming. Now I can finish up when I get enough speed ups to claim these rewards. I am going to get these extra resources. So okay guys, these were the Cerberus level 1 and 2. The level 3 we did not killed at the moment, but you can see the first down reward in my previous video where I shared one of the picture, one of the photograph. You can see it was roughly about 4.5 million first down reward from the Cerberus monsters. And I'm going to explain Thanksgiving feast, this section and all these ones, how to complete them. So I'm going to explain these in next video. Please watch my next video. The previous video I just quickly explained that what is the Thanksgiving feast and how you can complete, but I'm going to show you how to complete these sections. दोस्तों मैं आपको थैंक्स गिविंग फीस्ट भी आपको बताने वाला हूँ कैसे कंप्लीट करें, और स्पेशली दिस वन आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस वन बिकॉज यू हैव टू अटैक ऑन द अदर अलायंसेस feast farm, but you don't attack. You can complete by yourself with your second account or your friend's help or your one of the alliance member. दोस्तों आप अपने दूसरे अकाउंट या आपके दोस्त या आपके ही अलाइंस में जो मेंबर है उसके साथ भी ये कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, पर उसके लिए आपको वो अकाउंट बाहर अपनी अलाइंस से निकालना पड़ेगा. सो यू हैव टू एक्सपेल दैट अकाउंट from your alliance. So okay guys, I see you in the next video. So these were the Cerberus rewards we received, and the killing idea for the Cerberus, you got the idea for the hunting, and you must get the benefits from these monsters guys. Have a good one, enjoy your game. I will see you in the next video with more tips and tricks.